Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at a brand new deck called Nature Quest Oracle, Taoist Wisdom for Modern Times by Theresa Hutch. Theresa Hutch also brought us the White Sage Tarot, which is adorable. So I'm excited about this one. This is published by US Game Systems, and thank you so much for US Game Systems for sending this deck my way so that way I can share it with you. This retails for $22.95 in the US, and as always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. Okay, let's get into this. And I apologize in advance if I am not pronouncing names correctly. I'm trying my best, I swear. So with inspiration from Lao Tzu's Tao Te Ching, Nature Quest Oracle invites you on a journey to manifest a mindful life in harmony with nature. Prominent sages including Thich Nhat Hanh, Ram Dass, Ananda Ma, and Ramana Maharshi share insights that are in alignment with Taoist philosophy to make the teachings of the Tao accessible and relevant to your daily life. This 50-card deck features charming watercolor art and is organized around the 5 elements, includes 124-page full-color guidebook. All right, so let's get into it. I like the way the art looks already. Taoist Wisdom for Modern Times. All right. Nature Quest Guidebook. Oh, look at the back. Oh, that's beautiful. So they're a pretty nice size. They're pretty big cards. Okay, before we get into the flip through, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook here. So we have introduction, a note from the artist, and acknowledgments, and then it goes into the cards, which are, like they were talking about on the back, separated in sections. So we have wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. And then we do have card spreads in the back as well as some more information here. So I just want to see the introduction. You are the entire universe in a nutshell. All of the elements, wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, are all found inside of you. With inspiration from the Tao Te Ching, Nature Quest Oracle invites you on a journey that holds keys to manifesting a life without struggle by living in harmony with nature. Mindfulness forms deeper connections and can be practiced with your daily waking breath. Let's find a way to make these connections to nature with a cup of tea in hand and a sidewalks under our feet. All right. So the Tao Te Ching, or the Book of the Way, is a philosophical guide of life written by a wise sage named Lao Tzu. It is one of the most widely published books in the world. The Tao Te Ching is a text with around 5,000 Chinese characters. There are many translations of the Tao Te Ching, but what they have in common is that they are all divided into 81 numbered passages. The passages are short, bold statements that can be experienced with your heart and help you live in the flow of nature and your everyday life. This is a unique deck of 50 cards created with traditional watercolor and collage techniques. The deck is divided into 5 sections, and in this guidebook, the text that accompanies each cards include insights related to the card topic and a quote from the author or sage from several religious and philosophical traditions, a numbered Tao verse, 3 items to reflect upon, and an affirmation. The source reference information for the quotes and the translated Tao passages are listed on page 128. All right. More information. Okay, and then it goes into the cards. So I just wanted to take a peek at all of that because I wanted to know kind of like what to expect out of the deck before we flip through. Then we do have card spreads. We have a card of the day, a yin-yang spread, and then the creation circle spread there. Is there any more? Nope, that's it. And then the sources, which is phenomenal. Okay. Let's take a look again at the back. It's a slight gloss. I wouldn't call it a full gloss. And let's take a peek at the cardstock. Yes, we love it. It is your typical US Game System cardstock. Not too thin, slightly thicker than Llewellyn cardstock, and it snaps back beautifully. It shuffles really well, so I'm excited about this one. These cards are on the bigger side though. Okay. growth. We love a growth card. So that's really cool. We have the title, we have the character, as well as a little blurb about it. So that is fantastic to see. And if you guys want to pause the video to read below, you totally can. But we'll pull a card at the end after we see how it shuffles and then go more in depth with the guidebook. Very sweet so far. I love the squirrel has little slippers or shoes. My goodness, adorable. Oh. This art is beautiful. Very gentle, very soothing. Effortless effort. The different trees there. Precious. Oh my goodness. That cat bed though, stunning. Oh my goodness. Sweet little deer. Oh, I love that. That's cool too. I wish I had the patience to stack rocks like that. I get too frustrated. Maybe that's why I need to do it more. That's so pretty. Oh, sweet. Oh, cute. In the comments, let me know what song you think the pigeon is listening to. For glow. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. We got a selfie. That's adorable. I love a whimsical deck. Oh. Oh, sweet. Oh, this bird is flossing the... What is that, a crocodile or an alligator? Oh my goodness. This is a very sweet deck. Very gentle deck. Very fun deck. Very much a deck that forces you to be mindful in the moment. Cute. All right, what do you see in the cloud? And our last one. All right, let's see how it shuffles. It's beautifully done. I think it's very fun, like I said, very whimsical, but very informative. Oh yeah, it shuffles just fine. And it's not too long to where I have a problem shuffling it like this. I think if it were 78 cards, I might have a little bit more of a trouble. But no, I don't mind it. Let's see this way. Usually when I shuffle bigger decks, or bigger size cards, I should say, I split them in half. Ooh, and it shuffles so nice that way. Okay, one more time for good measure. All right, and then this way, yeah. I like it. Okay, let's get a card to read. Okay, we are going to read for abundance. Right on. Okay, it says, all things carry yin, yet embrace yang. They blend their life breaths in order to produce harmony. All right. Okay, so let's get the first part. So this is fire. So this section has a little intro page. So it says color red, imbalance, passionate relationships, creative inspiration, out of balance, explosive, arrogant, vengeful, brings into balance, metal element. All right. So then we go here and we have a picture of the card. So we know exactly what we're getting into. And then we see it says, put on some soft slippers and start a cozy fire. Make yourself at home right here, right now. You are exactly where you need to be. Ram Dass points out, souls love. That's what souls do. Egos don't, but souls do. Become a soul, look around you, and you'll be amazed. All the beings around you are souls. Be one, see one. Tao number 42. In losing, much is gained, and in gaining, much is lost. Reflections. What happens to your breath when you are out of balance? How does it feel when you are balanced? Embrace the 10,000 horrible things and the 10,000 beautiful things. Affirmation. Harmony is my natural state. Oh, wow. This gets deep. But what a great deck to be present and to be in the moment and to see things in a different perspective. And I love the reflections because it just helps you see things in that different way, as well as relate your energy of the cards to what you're going through in the moment, what your question was maybe about, or what you were seeking guidance upon. As well as if you are a journaler, this might be a fantastic deck to, really chart it out in a journal and explore more ways of how you're feeling and maybe how to take this energy upon your day to day, how to bring it into your life. This is also a great deck for, if you do a daily pull, to put it somewhere that you'll see it throughout the day so that you can be reminded and be conscious of it throughout the day. There's multiple ways of using this. You can use it as a daily pull or a confirmation deck or just on its own. Or if you're wondering what you maybe should focus on for the day, this would be the deck for that. So I think it's beautifully done. I love the artwork. I think it's fun, whimsical, but also very meaningful. And like I said, it forces you to be in the moment and be very mindful. And I'm appreciative of that because I feel like we need more decks like this in our collection to kind of just help us focus the concentration. So now I'm going to turn it over to you all. What do you think about this? Is this something that you would use? Is this something that you're interested in? Or is this something that isn't really on your wish list just yet? You're going to mull it over. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck my way. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.